Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can play GTA Vice City or Grand Theft Auto 3 in this Xiaomi Mi TV stick and use your Android phone as a controller for that game. So first of all, I have a normal TV here in my room and I made it to a smart one by using this Mi TV stick, which is quite cheap, and I saw that no one really did a gaming review of this in YouTube, so I tried many games like PPSSPP and other titles like Into the Dead, Dead Trigger 2, etc. So I think this is quite a capable machine, and people were preferring the Mi Box 4K over this one. Obviously that's the better option, but it has the same processor as the Mi Box 4K, just it has 1 GB less RAM than Mi Box 4K. So I think that's not a big issue here, and GTA 3 and GTA Vice City runs quite well in this TV stick. So I just want to walk you through some of the apps and stuffs you need to do to play that Vice City and GTA 3 in your TV and control it with your mobile phone. Okay, so first of all, you need to have GTA Vice City or GTA 3, which one you prefer. I obviously like the GTA Vice City more, so you have to install it and you have to also place the OBB file inside the Android OBB folder. For that, first you need to download the GTA Vice City APK and OBB to your mobile phone, and then through this send files to TV application you can send that files to your TV from the mobile phone. So after you're done, you need another file manager called Explore File Manager. It's the better one. There's another file manager called FX File Explorer, but I think this is the better one, and through this you have to move the files to Android OBB and then com.rockstar.gta Vice City, just like I have here. Okay, so after that you need to install the APK just like I did. As you can see that I've already installed the APK. So now my game is ready and good to go. But this Mi TV stick, the Mi TV stick I have right here, as you can see, it does not support OTG, and it does not work even if I use the OTG splitter. So I need to use wireless systems. So if we have a wireless gamepad or wireless keyboard, that would be better. Although I don't think GTA Vice City supports wireless keyboard, sorry. So I think that using your Android phone as wireless gamepad is the best option to go. So for that you need to download an application called BT Controller on both your TV and your Android phone. So in my TV, through a TV launcher, because the BT Controller app, I'll post every apps needed in the link in the description below. That this BT Controller app on the right corner, it is not available on the Play Store version of the Android TV. So you have to download it on the mobile, install it on the mobile, then again send that BT Controller application through this send files to TV app to your TV, and then you have to install it. And you have to launch the BT controller for the first time, and then you have to configure some things, just like which media you want to use. Maybe you want to use Wi-Fi, maybe you want to use Bluetooth. It's just your preference. So here you have to, if in your TV, not your mobile phone, you have to tap on create a host. So after creating a host, your mobile, just go to your mobile. I will also add this in the screen. So in your mobile you will see an option called your TV name, just like here my TV name is Mi TV. So the option will pop up here and it will connect your Android phone to the Android TV. So now you can control your games and applications from your Android phone itself. So after connecting that, you have nothing to do on your TV. You just go to apps section and open GTA Vice City or GTA 3, which one you like to play, and then you are good to go. But if you need to do some other things on the mobile phone's BT controller application, now I'm switching to mobile phone and letting you know what to do. Okay, so now you have to go to BT Controller application on your mobile phone, just like I have here. So after you have turned on the settings, create a host settings on your TV, you will find an option here, and as you can see, available hosts is Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can connect both using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So now I'll turn on my Wi-Fi, and then the available hosts will show up. And here, as you can see, my TV name popped up, which I enabled quite a while ago. And now, as you can see, this controller just popped out, and this is the Vice City controller that I have already installed. And in this app you have many controller schemes. You just go to new, and then you have to search Vice City. as I have already installed it, I don't have it showing in here. So this purple color themed Vice City controller, which has been downloaded 1107 times, this is the best controller for both GTA Vice City and GTA 3. So I think you should download this, and this is the perfect controller to play with. You play GTA Vice City or GTA 3 in your Android TV. So and one thing to mention is that you can also control Tommy Vercetti, or the main character you're playing with the virtual buttons on your TV remote. So I'm currently using my virtual buttons on the TV remote to control the player. And that's all. You cannot enter vehicle or do anything else. You can just move forward, left, right and backwards, and that's just it. So for the sake of this video, I'm just showing this part because the phone I'm recording this video with is the same phone that I use to play the game with. So now I am recording it with that phone and I'm controlling it with the TV remote. But as you can see on the Mi TV stick, it runs quite well. Okay, so one thing that I want to mention is that you can also use cheat code in this Android TV version of Vice City. So for that, you have to download keyboard modules from the BT Controller app, and for that you have to touch on New, and then you have to type on here, and you have to type keyboard. And here you will find different kinds of keyboard, but I found the laptop keyboard the best one. I've already downloaded it. Let me show you. So here as you can see, this laptop keyboard is the best one that I have felt. And when you connect it, and then you will have this keyboard option, and then you can tap on the keys just like Aspirin, Nutter Tools. You can tap on the keys and write Aspirin, Nutter Tools and more other cheat codes, and the cheat codes will be applied on the games. But one thing that I want to mention is that Mi TV stick is not good at handling cheat codes in those games. My TV crashed almost 3 times when I tried to use cheat codes. So I prefer not using cheat codes in those games. That's all for today, guys. I hope you like this trick and I hope you enjoyed this.